outside. It's all done. It's outside. I just got done washing the blade. Now you can get a better look. These bolts have been replaced with stainless and stainless washers because it comes with zinc plated grade 2 and I don't want to have rust streaks down the front. This Jeep only has a 2,200 pound front axle, which I'll back up so you can see. It looks very low in the front, doesn't it? And the weight of the plow's not even on it. And then when we go around to the back, we got the trailer hitch that I installed. It's a class 3 Curt, and the wiring, you can see it using the cap for the harness into the hole for the safety chains. Straightforward install on the hitch, except one of the bolts for the tow hook on the driver's side snapped the weld nut inside the frame, so I had to grind the head off. And if you look down there, you see a little silver stick, flat, looks like a popsicle stick sticking out above the exhaust. That's the handle nut that you use to attach the hitch. At one point, on the other point, you use the existing bumper bolt on the passenger side and the existing bumper bolt on the driver's side. Boy, do those tires stick out